pitch, and here's a field off the bat of Ravelis. First to third will go Christian Cox, and the Huskers have him here looking for some insurance, and it's out of the seventh. And brings up the best hit line ball.
Spreading a message.
On a Saturday afternoon in Oakland, a handful of 8 to 10-year-old girls are gathered in brown uniforms, giggling and eating cupcakes. They look like Girl Scouts, but it's not just fun and games. Take a listen.
White policemen are killing black young folks, such as women, men, and children. Like
There with the Renaissance, right?
You got a guy who's rich, powerful, money, fame, and he finds destitute women and carries them to luxury locations and then has
win that snaps a 4-game losing streak.
part of the
17 and 3 overall, and 11, 10 and 2 in Atlantic hockey. Yellow Jackets drop to 3, 21 and 5. They're 3, 15 and 5 in conference play. Here for
how dependent we are upon other countries to supply us with the stuff that we use. Some of it we don't need, but others we do. We talk so many times about cybercrime and about how
They're on the base pass. The 0-1.
Just absolute morons and acted like it, and it was the younger guys saw it.
To make good on that deadly promise, the disaster of ages past was averted. Purim on March 5th, Jewish children.
At 6:19 in the first, that was a shorthanded effort. Miami's first goal, a power play goal from Cody Murphy and Riley Barber.
A terrible deal is struck.
Tigers outshot 16-10 in the period. Tyler Marble with 26.